Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pop-up in Figma. First, create your main design frame, which will hold your primary content. Then, design a separate frame specifically for your pop-up. This pop-up frame should contain all the elements you want to appear, like text, images, or buttons. Make sure this pop-up frame is clearly defined and ready to be shown over your main design. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth workflow. Now, let's fill your pop-up frame with engaging content. Add your desired text, perhaps a compelling headline and some descriptive body copy. You can also include images or illustrations to enhance its visual appeal. Don't forget to add an interactive button, like a call to action, and a distinct close icon, such as an X, so users can easily dismiss the pop-up. A semi-transparent background overlay can also be designed to dim the main content. With your pop-up designed, it's time to make it interactive. Select the element on your main frame that will trigger the pop-up, like a button or an icon. Then, navigate to the Prototype tab in Figma. Drag a connection from your trigger element to your pop-up frame. In the interaction details, choose on click as the trigger and open overlay as the action. This tells Figma to display your pop-up when the user clicks the designated element. Finally, let's ensure users can close your pop-up. Select the close button or icon within your pop-up frame. In the Prototype tab, add an interaction set to on click and close overlay. You can also customize the overlay's position, choosing options like centered or manual, and adjust the background dimming. Always test your pop-up extensively in presentation mode to ensure it functions exactly as intended, providing a smooth user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.